In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of those devices options that you wish to manage, like Camera. Then select an app and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. Then instead of selecting one of those options, you can click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!